This video is going to show you how to go from graphs to tables and tables to graphs. A big important thing to remember is that ordered pairs are written as x then y, and for x is when we go right or left, and y is for when we go up or down. Here we have a graph. The first thing I want to do is look at the line, and I want to look for a couple of spots. Let's look for 4 points that have a cross nice and pretty in the corner. So I've got one here, one here, one here, and one here. Now, there are several different points, but it's up to you which ones you choose. So the first point down here at the bottom, I'm going to label it point 1. It's at -5 for our x value and -4 for our y value. So we have our -5 for our x value and -4 for our y value. Now our next point is at -2 for our x value and -1 for our y value. Our next ordered pair we'd look at, so we have 1 for our x value and we have 2 for our y value. Then for our final ordered pair, again, we look at our x and then our y. So our first ordered pair, or our first value is x is at 5 and our y is at 6. So remember, we always look at our x first, then our y second. All right, so now let's look at this graph to the table. So first we have our black point, and remember, we look at our x value first, and then our y value second, okay? So our x value for this one is -3, and our y value is 6. Now, let's look at our red ordered pair. So our x value is -1, and our y value is 2. Be careful when you're looking at graphs to make sure that you double check how each axis is numbered. So our next ordered pair, the blue one, again, we're looking at that horizontal, the x-axis first. Our x value is 1, and our y value is -2. And then the final ordered pair is that little green dot down at the bottom. Our x value is 3, and our y value is -6. Okay, so now when we're going from a table to a graph, we still deal with our x's first. So we're gonna go left or right first, and then we do our y value second, which is where we're gonna go up or down. So if I look at this first ordered pair of -7, -3, I'm gonna go left -7 and down -3 and put a dot. So that's my first ordered pair. My second ordered pair of -4, -2. I'm gonna go left 4 and down 2. Then I have 0, -1. 0 means I'm not gonna go right or left, I'm just gonna go up or down. So I'm gonna go down to -1. And then our final ordered pair of 4, 0. So this time I am gonna go right 4, but I'm not gonna go up or down. All right, one more example of going from a table to a graph. So our first ordered pair is -2, 2. Remember, we're gonna do our x values first, which is where we go left or right, and then second, we're gonna do our y values where we go up or down. So our first ordered pair again is -2, +2. So -2 means I'm gonna go left 2, and +2 means I'm gonna go up 2. So there's my first ordered pair. My next ordered pair is 0, 0, guys. That's super easy. That's our origin right in the middle. And then our next ordered pair is +2, -2. So I'm gonna go right 2 and then down 2. And there's our third ordered pair. And then our final ordered pair is 4, -4. So I'm gonna go right 4 and down 4. And that's how you go from a table to a graph.